Hello everyone, welcome to watch tutorial video of Skmei 1335 dual time vintage watch. Today I will guide you the easiest way to set time and date on this watch as well as how to use dual time feature. So if you are new in this channel, do subscribe because I upload different watch tutorial video over here. Let's start. So the very first step to set time and date in this Skmei 1335 dual time watch is to bring this watch into this interface where you can see here date as well as day and time. If it is not in this interface, you have to bring it here. To do that, you have to press left side down button one by one. This shows alarm, this shows stopwatch, this shows dual time feature. If you press again left side down button, it will show another feature. Let's press again left side down button. Now you can see here we are finally here in this interface. If it is already in this, then you can skip this process and you can go to another. Now to adjust time in this watch, you have to press right side down button for a while. If you press continuously for a few seconds, you can see here the second is popping up. Now to bring it to hour and minute, you have to press left side down button once. See, now the hour digit is popping up. To adjust it, you have to press right side up button. In this way, one by one, you can change it 4, 5, 6. Once you complete this, to bring it to minute, you have to press again left side down button. Now here you can adjust minutes. To do that, again you have to follow the same process. You have to press right side top button 49, 50, 51. In this way you can adjust minute. Once you complete adjusting hour and minutes, we can move towards date. To do that, you have to again press left side down button. Here you can choose year. If it is 2007 or something other year, you have to press right side top button to bring it to 2025 or according to your year. For example, somehow mistakenly you exceeded the current year, then you have to continuously press right side top button. Then you can see here it will automatically switch the year faster. As we know, this watch will only show the date up to 2099. So if you continuously press it for a while, you can again reach towards your current year. So as you see here, it has again started. So now let's keep this to 2025. So I have just shown this you to understand. If it is of another year, then you can press right side top button to adjust it. Now, once you fix this year, to adjust month and days, you have to press again left side down button. As you see here, the 10 is popping up, that is month. So make it 11, 12, 1, 2 according to your current date. Now to change days, you have to press again left side down button. So as you see here, the days is popping up 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. In this way, you can change it. To change, you have to simply press this right side top button. Simple. So once you complete this, simply press right side down button. It will automatically adjust the date and the day, week of a day will appear automatically. Now let's understand how to use dual time feature. For example, you are in one nation where there is different time zone. We adjusted the time according to your time zone. Now if you want to keep another time zone according to your location, for example, you frequently travel from one country to another, then it's better to use this watch feature. To set dual time feature, you have to press left side down button. As you see here, it came to alarm. Keep on pressing for a while. Another dual time feature. Here you can use this dual time feature. And to adjust this dual time feature, it's very easy. Again, you have to press right side down button for a while. Now you can see here the hour digit is popping up. To change it, you have to press right side top button. So in this way you can change it. And to bring it to minute, you have to press again left side down button. So as you see here, the minute is popping up. To change it, you have to press right side top button. So once you final this, you can press right side down button. Here you don't get any feature to adjust date separately because this is dual time feature. It is an optional feature of this watch. Now to bring it back to your time, you can press left side down button. As you see here, now this is the time that we have just adjusted few minutes ago. So if you find this video helpful, do like and subscribe to my channel because I upload different watch related tutorial videos as well as different tech explained videos. Thank you very much for watching till the end.